Welcome, my dear students of class 9. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. I am Azhar Ali Khan, mathematics teacher of recognized school and college, Dhaka. Greece philosopher Plato says the most important part of education is proper training in the nursery. Okay, my dear students, today's your small effort must bring a milestone success in your life. Dear students, be continuing your study regularly for your certain and bright future. We always find out our errors from past and trying to solve in present and wish to apply in future. Okay, my dear students, I know you are waiting for my attractive and educative class on mathematics subject. So, okay, my dear students, let's go and enjoy us. Okay, my dear students, class 9 and 10. And today I will discuss a general mathematics, that means general mathematics, যেটা বাংলায় বলে সাধারণ গণিত. Okay, I will discuss this one. And exercise 4.1. Exercise at first, go to exercise 4.1 and this is question number 21. So given P equal to x to the power a, Q equal to x to the power b and R is equal to x to the power c. Okay, my students, we here given this is called creative mathematics, CVQ. Find the values of P to the power bc into Q to the power minus ca. And second, find the values of P by Q to the power a plus b multiply Q by R power b plus c. Division, this is called division to PR to the power a minus c. So a minus c given. And question number 3, third, show that P by Q to the power a square plus ab plus b square multiply Q by R b square plus bc plus c square multiply R by p c square plus ca plus a square will be 1. Show that, that means prove that. Okay, my students, now I am going to solve question number A. So here, first of all this one, so okay, solution 1 here. So given it is some parts also because you don't have enough space. So solution my dear students, A, that means 1 given that, what is given that P to the power P equal to x to the power a and Q equal to x to the power b and R x to the power c. So now P bc to the power and Q power ca. Okay, my dear students, here P means x to the power a here given, P means here given and power bc here, and Q means given x to the power b and power minus ca. Okay, so x to the power abc into x to the power minus, if you multiply this one, so minus abc equal to x to the power abc minus abc. Why this one? Why this one? Yes, because you know already a to the power m multiply a to the power n. So a to the power m plus n. because base, this is called base, this is base, this is called power. So this is called base, this is called base, and this is called power. When base same, power will be addition. This is our rule in logarithm. So this is a called base, this is called power, this is called base, this is called power. So a same, so that means base same, and this power will be addition. Our also same rules, x same, so this power will be addition. You will take only one x and you can add power. This is from this formula. So okay, my dear students, so x to the power 0, x to the power 0 means 1, because something to the power you know already, j or a to the power 0 will be 1. Yes, my dear students, here and here also some rules all have a not 0 and a is greater than 1. Okay, my dear students, this is also some rules, but our generally a to the power 0 means 1. So our answer, you will write 1. Finish your number 1 and number 2, find the value of this one. Okay, you can take a screenshot or you will write on your copy. Okay, sorry, this is a x to the power a. Okay, now I am going to solve question number here. Question number 2, given here this one, and now here p by q power a plus b multiply q by r multiply b plus c and division to p r p to the power a minus c. So my dear students, here p means x to the power a and q means x to the power b power a plus b multiply q means here given here, q means x to the power b and r means x to the power c. Okay, my dear students, b plus c here given power b plus c division 2. Okay, r means x to the power c and p means x to the power a and power a minus c. My dear students, again follow. P means x to the power a, p means x to the power a and q means x to the power b, and power a plus b multiply. Q means x to the power b, and r means x to the power c and power b plus c division to r means x to the power c, and p means x to the power p means x to the power a and already the given power a minus c done already. So here x to the power a minus b, a plus b, very fantastic, because when you see base same, power will be minus, base same, power will be minus. You know already a to the power m by a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n. This is our rule. So this is a called base, m means power or exponential or index. So you can learn power, and this is also power, sometimes it's called index. Okay, my dear students, this formula I can apply here. X same, so power will be minus and another power here. This one also same, x to the power b minus c by b plus c, and division 2 base same, so my dear student, power addition into a minus c. Okay, so x to the power a minus b into a plus b multiply x to the power b minus c and b plus c, and division 2 x to the power, this one also same, a plus c, and here we can apply second bracket and a minus c. This one also same, because inside use first bracket, that's why you can apply second bracket here. Okay, my dear students, here formula has made x to the power a square minus b square. You know, a square minus b square means a minus b into a plus b. Okay, x to the power b square minus c square, division 2 into x to the power a square minus c square. Okay, my dear students, I am going to upper side here. So you go to here, equal to x to the power a square minus b square plus b square minus c square divided to x to the power a square minus c square. My dear students, this one cancel also. Here also same, base same, power will be addition. Okay, x a square minus c square divided by 2 a square minus c square. Okay, so my dear students, x to the power a square minus c square by this is by 2 a square minus c square. This is a division, that's why you can take this way, you can take this. Okay, so my dear students, this is a x, same base, power will be minus, so a square minus c square minus a square minus c square by 2. Okay, so my dear student, x to the power 0, because a square minus a square, c square, this one cancel, will be 0 by 2. So my dear students, something to the power 0 means 1 by 2, because x to the power 0 means will be 1. Okay, my dear students, so this is our answer. So answer will be half. Finished our question number 2. This one finished. Okay, my dear students. So this one x to the 0 means 1. X to the 0 means 1. You can put here 1 by 2, this 2. So our answer is will be half. Now I am going to solve question number 21 of 3 of 21. So okay, number and third part. Okay, left hand side. What is left hand side? P by Q to the power a square plus AB plus b square into q by r power b square plus bc plus c square and multiply r by p is equal to c square plus ca plus a square. Okay, my dear students, our proof 1. Okay, so here p means x to the power a given here p means x to the by q x to the power b. So a square plus ab plus b square multiply q means x to the power b by x to the power c given here, r means x to the power c, q means x to the power b, p means x to the power a. So given power b square plus bc plus c square, this given power, and multiply r means x to the power c by p means x to the power a. So power c square plus ca plus a square. Okay, my dear students, you know base same, power will be 0. Yeah, power will be minus. So xa minus b, because same base, so power will be minus. So a square plus ab plus b square multiply x b minus c equal to b square plus bc plus c square. So multiply x c minus a equal to c square plus ca plus a square. Okay, so my dear student, x to the power here will be formula a square plus ab plus b square will be formula. Okay, multiply x to the power b minus c b square plus bc plus c square multiply x c minus a into c square plus ca plus a square. So okay, my dear student, x to the power, this is our formula, aq minus bq. You know aq minus bq means a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, that means aq minus bq, and x b cube minus c cube, this is also one kind of formula. b cube minus c cube means b minus c b square plus bc plus c square, this formula b cube minus c cube, and this is x and c cube minus a cube, this is also formula, cube formula. C cube minus a cube means c minus a c square plus a plus a square is equal to x to the power a cube minus b cube plus b cube minus c cube plus c cube minus a cube, because base same, power will be addition. So okay, my dear student, so this is our x is base x, so power will be add. So x to the power 0, because this one and this one cancel, this one cancel, this one. So x is 0, x this means 1. So this is a right hand side. Okay, my dear students, so this is our proof. So left hand side equal to right hand side shown. Okay, my dear students, this is our proof already done. So if you get any problem, my dear students, of course you will inform to me. So my contact number is given here. 01913 7270 80. If you get any problem, of course you will contact with me. I am always agree to solve this one. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.